economic order quantity, EOQ, is a mathematical formula which helps you to minimize the ordering cost and holding cost of your inventory, and it is represented by a formula. So let's look for the formula. The formula is 2 times by CO times by D over CH and a root over. So the D stands for annual demand of units. CO is the cost of order. You can ignore the fixed. CH is the cost of holding one unit for 1 year. And Q is the number of quantity you need to order. So if you remember the formula, EOQ is very easy for you. Let's check out one quick question. And the question on EOQ is, Eagle Printing Company Limited print posters for which they buy paper on rolls. That's great. Each roll costs them some money, £12. And there's a full stop. Each week, remember, 15 rolls are used. That is your demand, guys. Each week, 15 rolls are used. So 15 rolls times by how many weeks in a year? Because the demand is annual demand, remember. 52 weeks, thank you. So if I get the calculator, 15 times by 52, it says 780. 780 rolls demand. Keep reading, keep going. The company operates every week of the year. That's why 52. Each time an order for more rolls of paper is placed, it costs the company 50. So cost of order, your CO, is 50. Yeah, let's keep writing and keep going. And the estimated cost of storing means holding, one roll is 19.65 per annum. So it is your CH, cost of holding one item or one unit for 1 year is 19.65. So let's go back to our formula. 2 COD over CH. 2 times by CO. CO is your cost of order, 50, times by D. D is your annual demand, 780, over CH. CH is 19.65. And you get the root over. So let me take a calculator in front of you. There we go, the calculator, Mr. Calculator. 2 times by 50 times by 780 divided by, it gives you 78,000 divided by 19.65, and then you need to do a root over 63. Got the answer here. 63 rolls or units are your correct answer. Hope it helps, guys.